Hi everyone, welcome back to another course video. Today you will be creating a logic that will require the use of written keywords with functions. This will just give you an idea of how functions and written keywords can be used. You will have to wait until the end to know what we will do in the next video. Let's get started. The scenario is we will ask the user to enter two different numbers. Then we will ask them to enter which operation they would like to perform. The options I will give are add or subtract. If you want, you can add multiplication and division, but you will also have to create more functions and add more conditional statements. Moving on, we will create two different functions for addition and subtraction. Next, we will put conditions to check which operation the user wants to perform. Based on that, we will run either the addition function or the subtraction function. As you see here, I am asking the user to enter two different numbers and which operation they would like to perform. Now we will add the two functions. I am passing two arguments a and b for two different numbers. The reason I am using the return keyword is I just want the end result. Now we will put conditions. So if operation equals add, then print the sum of num1 and num2 is, then we will call the function, we just pass in num1 and num2 as arguments. Then we will say elif operation equals subtract then I will just copy this and change it to the difference, and here we will say sub, meaning subtraction. Then we will add in last condition, else print you have entered an invalid value. And now let's run this. So we can select 34 and then 56. First I will say add and see we get the results, and if we say subtraction, I will say subtract, then see we get the difference. But over here, if I try to do something else like addition, then as you see we get the message. So friends, I hope you had fun doing this task. After this video, we will move on to the next topic. If you remember, from the very beginning of the course, I told you about libraries. Basically, you can use them to get access to more features of Python. I will tell you more about it in that video or in the next video, you can say. So bye bye, have a fantastic day.